In this scenario of outbreak of Chinese novel coronavirus, we are under the pursuing prevailing conditions of lockdowns. Complete hierarchy is on paralysis, and this paralysis marks us the presence of commerce in business studies. So today we will learn that this assessment should be done how in this pandemic also the supply chain management is functioning with such a smooth and butterflow movement. So today we will pursue the nature and purpose of business. एक तरीका, एक way that marks you connectivity of producer to the consumer, output to the user, and marks the presence of one place production to another place consumption. In such a big nation, 28 states, 8 union territories, and the term delivers you this facility is said to be the commerce, the exchange and connecting medium of goods and service from producer to user. And it marks the goods can be produced anywhere in the world but can be supplied only and only distributed or exchanged only with the help of commerce. So today we will learn the activities which smoothen this functionality. It's banking, transportation, insurance, warehousing, advertisement, etc. And these are called aids to trade. So let's have a look. And the challenges which are facing in this scenario is faced every time. Hindrances, rukavate, and solution is the problem answer. The finance problem is answered and addressed by banking. Time problem, that marks the presence of warehouse solution. Risk is ensured and knowledge is delivered of production from the advertisement. Information from which source it will be available, it's through communication. And when it's place of production to place of consumption, then the presence of transport take place. So let's check it in physical class. Dear scholars, we have assembled and this time we are discussing the term commerce. I'm not writing business, it's commerce. Today we will discuss it. Beta, I am writing one word for you which will going to bring you to introductory phase, and that means to say hindrance, and this hindrance means to say focus on solution. जो प्रॉब्लम है ना उसका सॉल्यूशन है कॉमर्स. नाउ मार्क द वर्ड mark out this word means a lot beta. Hindrance means बाधा, and this word means to say बाधा, एंड बाधा मीन्स रुकावट. रुकावट मीन्स कि आपका कोई वर्क सेटल नहीं हो रहा. अब आपको वो वर्क सेटल करना है, आपको अपना वो वर्क सेटल करना है. दैट मार्क्स यू द वर्ड हिंड्रेंस का सोल्यूशन है कॉमर्स. नाउ हिंड्रेंस किस चीज की हो सकती है बेटा? टाइम. हिंड्रेंस इज मेनली ऑफ टाइम, क्योंकि जो प्रोडक्शन है दैट टेक्स प्लेस वंस एंड इट इज कंज्यूम फॉर होल ईयर. प्रोड्यूस्ड वंस, कंज्यूम्ड एंटायर ईयर. कंज्यूम एंटायर ईयर. एंटायर ईयर हम सारे साल यूज करेंगे उसे. सो देयर विल बी हिंड्रेंस ऑफ टाइम. अब एक बारी प्रोडक्शन होगा तो देन वी हैव द सॉल्यूशन इज वेयर हाउस. गोडाउन में रख लीजिए बना के. इन द सेम वे टाइम ना, यहाँ पे हिंड्रेंस टाइम की है तो सॉल्व हो गई वेयर हाउस से. अब हिंड्रेंस वेयर हाउस के साथ आ जाएगी प्लेस की. अब एक प्लेस पे रखा हुआ है एंड वी हैव टू ट्रांसफर. अब नाउ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्लेस अराइज. This place problem will be having a solution, that is transport. Now this is a problem, solution is transport. Place solution is transport. Time solution is your warehouse. अब ये ट्रांसपोर्ट वाला तो बहुत रिस्की है, माइट भी हम उनसे समुद्र से लेके जा रहे हैं, सी पोर्ट से लेके जा रहे हैं, देन रिस्क। तो रिस्क का सोल्यूशन है, रिस्क इज अ प्रॉब्लम, आई एम सर्कलिंग जो चीज प्रॉब्लम है, रिस्क का सोल्यूशन है आपकी इंश्योरेंस। अब इंश्योरेंस है तो आपने अपनी क्या सेव कर रहे हैं उससे, फिनेंस। अब एक प्रॉब्लम हमारे पास ये भी तो है, फिनेंस। क्या सेव कर रहे हैं हम, फिनेंस। फिनेंस कैसे सेव कर रहे हैं, हमने जो प्रोडक्शन को ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, दैट विल गोइंग टू मार्क यू फेज ऑफ फिनेंस। इन्वेस्टमेंट है, दैट इज कैपिटल invested. So we have hindrance removal of finance, and that is banking. And that is banking. Then hindrance of time is also addressed कि हर वक्त थोड़ा ना प्रोडक्शन होगा, we have to produce one and then we will consume for entire year, so then we store in warehouses, and then warehouses is not located in every state, it has some region to be located, so then place transfer के लिए transport is available. अब transport is risky, then we mark the word insurance. And now insurance need finance, so finance need banking. So ultimately दिस बैंकिंग, अब हमने बैंक से लोन ले रखा है या जो भी है, दैट मार्क्स यू विद फेज ऑफ कि अब इसे आपको अपने जो सप्लायर्स है सबको बताना पड़ेगा दैट यू हैव लोन्स, तो देन ओनली दे विल गोइंग टू डिलीवर द प्रोडक्ट टू यू। सो देन यू हैव, अब आपके पास, अब आपको सब चीजें क्या देनी पड़ेंगी, इंफॉर्मेशन। जब इन्फो की क्राइसिस होगी, अगर सपोज करो हमारे पास इन्फो की क्राइसिस है, तो वी हैव एडवर्टाइजमेंट, कि लोगों को बताने के लिए तो एडवर्टाइज करना पड़ेगा। और हमें लोगों को नहीं बताना, बैंकिंग वगैरह को बताना है तो हम कम्युनिकेट करेंगे। बैंक को नहीं बताना तो इन्वेस्टर को बताना है, सो देन वी विल कम्युनिकेट। तो इन शॉर्ट कॉमर्स हिंड्रेंसेस का क्या देती है, सॉल्यूशन। पहली हिंड्रेंस टाइम की है, वो वेयर हाउस को देगी, वेयर हाउस से प्लेस की हिंड्रेंस हो जाती है, फिर वो ट्रांसपोर्ट से मदद करती है, ट्रांसपोर्ट में रिस्क है तो हमें इंश्योरेंस हेल्प करती है, इंश्योरेंस के लिए हमें फाइनेंस चाहिए, वहां रिस्क है, वहां पे प्रॉब्लम है तो बैंकिंग मदद करती है। बैंकिंग की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें किसे देनी पड़ेगी, एडवर्टाइजमेंट में, नहीं तो कम्युनिकेशन में। अगर पैसे इकट्ठे करने हैं कंपनी के लिए, यू हैव टू गैदर मनी, कैपिटल इंटेंसिव है तो एडवर्टाइज करेंगे, और कम्युनिकेट करेंगे अपने सप्लायर्स को दैट वी हैव टेकन लोन, सो दे शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ, स्टेक होल्डर्स को इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी पड़ती है। सो दैट्स की एवरी हिंड्रेंस हैव अ सॉल्यूशन एंड दिस सॉल्यूशन इज इन कॉमर्स। सो कॉमर्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बिजनेस. So let's conclude it for this phase. So see you again soon. When it's risk, so it's insured. When it's about information, then advertisement. So do have a look on advertisement.
Introducing our new way to garden. Miracle Grow Performance Organics. An organic plant food that really works fast, helping plants grow twice as big organically. Harness the power of nature for amazing results. Gardens need love and Miracle Grow.
Now the time problem is addressed with warehousing.
This is a behind the scenes look on how that magic actually happens. Take a look. Big trucks, small trucks, big packages, small packages, everything coming in and out at the speed of light. Something must be happening that is very unique. Yes, a very unique story. I'm here at one of Amazon's biggest fulfillment centers in the country, just outside Delhi. We're going to do a very interesting story. That entire thought process of the fact that you press a button on Amazon and within a day or two, if you're a Prime member or you sometimes even otherwise, your package actually arrives within such a short while. What happens behind the scenes? What's the technology? What's the process? How detailed and complex is that entire process? Today we're going to take a look at that entire journey. You know, we take it for granted. We press the button, we've actually got the product and we don't even give it a second thought. But so much happens inside out here that it's actually an amazing adventure. So join me on this adventure at the Amazon Fulfillment Center. Let's go. So you know what fascinates me about this place? Of course, I've shown you how huge it is, right? 3 floors, massive, massive floors. But it has to be, right? But the thing that really interests me, intrigues me, is the amount of stuff that's here. I walked through one aisle, it had tires on one side, that's actually car tires, it had popcorn on the other. I'm walking through this right now and look at the amount of stuff we have. All different products at all times, all over. In fact, it's incredible how much stuff it has. But this is a very interesting step. So what is it that happens at the fulfillment center? This is where the sellers send their product in. The inventory is actually put in out here. Then it's measured, it's weighed, it's marked. Then it goes to its respective shelf, and there's a whole science and methodology to it that we'll take you through.
The Amazon Fulfillment Center is vast. It's a space where all products are stored even before orders have been placed. Working efficiency through algorithms and logic are used, including Amazon's SLAM system, which stands for Scan, Label, Apply and Manifest, to speed up the packing process and get them to impatient customers around the country. There are more than 50 such warehouses across India. Sorting, packaging, checking is all part of the process, and there is a whole lot of technology that gets used in this high-tech warehouse. Merchants send products with their own barcodes. Each item has a unique Amazon standard identification number. The products are then scanned by a QB scan machine.
Today in this session we have learned the first phase, which have to be addressed. And now the second video will be for the next phase. Advertising, insurance and warehousing. 3 features connects the buyer with the supplier. That brings the functionality to the smooth and functioning activity of distribution and exchange of products, goods, service, ideas. And everything have to be addressed with a solution. So in the cases of business hindrances, commerce delivers its assistance, and this assistance is said to be aids to trade. So hereby we are concluding for the first phase to learn the hindrances and its solution, with a promise to see you again soon.